viewer subscriber. Right now, nothing boy not nice to me. Because right now, me get a one video on my phone and me look into it and me can't really understand. You know what I mean? Me run a research and try to get some info and me still can't understand to it. But based on my observation, I mean put 1 and 2 together and I get 3. But to me, it come out the more and try to tell you say 2. But here we go on. Me I can make it easy and make it better for the community. Here we go on now. Me I go play the visual and make you see what I go on. And then after, me stay so and go on my 2 cents when me think about it and explain it to pointers to make you understand what I go on right there. So if you are a subscriber, stay tuned. Take in this.
Wicked!
If you are subscribed, as you can see, the people will say. So, first me will say, as you can see, it's a taxman that up on the ground. Him have on a handcuff. And due to all me I listen, handcuff on the man, shoot the man after. So me not understand what kind of arm a man could have bring to you after him and handcuff on him. For you shoot him. Now, if I did say now, no handcuff, and I'm try to attack you, then we could have played it. You know what I mean? But I say this based on what they must say. The page and they must say, right, listen. The man in a handcuff, the police shoot him. I don't understand that. Alright, watch again now. You shoot the man, and the man in a handcuff. The man a ball, and if after the handcuff, then they start playing. And now 2 pointers already. The first pointer is shoot the man in a handcuff, and get shot. He can't help himself but make it take comfortable. He still not pull it off. Then again, the money will also say, what taxman did to you guys? But which me no say, as a policeman go on. Policeman target taximan on, I don't know why. If taxman make too much money, and then bad mind them, or I want me to understand. I'm going to show you all the system set right now too. But I see go on around. I'll show you the point of that. You see, even though the policeman showed taximan in a handcuff which me know say there is no harm towards that policeman. The system goes still convert it and bring it round and round and still get the taxi man wrong. Me not have to ask. Me know that. Them thing there what me see. I know. I'm already tell people say the system turn youth in a zombie and turn you into what them be these days. To be grimy. You hear that? Because I can give you an example of myself with me and police. Because I'm in my car clean. I'm clean in my suit. And when police stop me, I'm here. But the road, you know, I cooperate. Wind in the window and he forward. And she said, it's a young youth tonight. I'm clean. Him energy change. Him start rough me up like. He start assume something same time. You know what I mean? So I understand so when the man must say, what taxi man did to you guys? For not deal with this. So. And the next important part is I understand say nobody who stand up beside maybe no want to touch the blood and everything. But more give thanks to the little nurse girl who forward up and I help the man take out her cloth out of fire bag and I help the man and watch her go on now, you know. Even when the nurse help the police, help the man, them still take all to come release the man, you know. And the girl still have to call them. I'm gonna go show them one next point again. If that nurse girl wasn't on the scene and I try to save the man's life, I guarantee you're dead on the spot. Because the police them now listen to the patient them or the civilian them. So you release handcuff. So, I show you now in Jamaica are levels to life. So them only recognize the nurse who are help. And they don't want to look bad in front of the nurse. But if I did me as a regular civilian, just like how them people out there so, and I say, oh, take a handcuff off of the man. Them not take it off. And that's why I'm going to bring it back to a point again, which part in Jamaica, people, man and woman, are going to do every and anything to get money, to make them name, and make them put on respect on them name. So a man with thief, buy a car and build a big house and have a business, then I go look up to him. Because as you if you notice, if it wasn't a nurse who appear and try saving the man's life, the handcuff would still be in that gentleman's hand while lying on the ground. And more likely, you will bleed out to death. Because look, everybody did that. I said, yo, take out thing off of the man and I'm not doing it. So I show you, say, yo, I levels to life. I say, me can never get tricked by this system because I don't even know I don't even know nothing about the system in terms of like politics and whatever and them thing there. And I tell you, all this them income thing. Them are going to still write the report and turn around make taxi man get wrong. Eventually, take police off frontline duty. That is nothing, man. And yeah, I didn't figure. Tell me, I tell you that. Even if man do something bad, you show the man already. Pull the handcuff, release the man like a bit. Call the ambulance like an ambulance. I put him in a full car and carry him. You notice? Then shoot the man. They must have a car passport. Well, me a bike then ride still. And I call a car. Now look at urgency. And I can bet say no man can take up the man put him in a one car and carry him. The police shoot him. So until police say he can't move. So he might go dead on the spot. Youth. System is normal, yeah? Better youth, be wise out there. If I can avoid the confrontation with police, I'm tell you that, do the right thing. Because I've been through it already. I stand up and see police a beat man already. And I know 100% what one and know say the man don't deserve that. I say sometimes no man don't get trouble in, but I just say some big calm and explain to you because everything I'm going to see for myself. But such is life. As the more I say, I get me out the man I'm dead. I go up on a video, a link, a post on somebody page and I see somebody comment and I say, yo, him dead. I'm not really sure because I know people can't say anything at all. You see, but it's not impossible either. And at the same time, if him dead, condolence and give thanks to the nurse who try to save him life. And if him don't dead, give thanks to the nurse who try to help out at the time. You know what I mean? If you are a subscriber, in the comment section, leave your thoughts down below. Let me know what you think. tell them what you think. Watch the video. Tell them what you think about the scene. Listen to people in the background what they say. You know what I mean? At the Irons Boss. At the Irons TV. I'm out.